Hi guys! Welcome back. I missed you so much. So in this video, I'm going to share with you one of the best heatless overnight curls that I have ever tried. And this is the result. I wanted to share it with you because it is so quick, it's so easy, and it will cause no damage to your hair because it is heatless. As you can see, the result is so beautiful, and who would imagine that these curls are created without using any curling iron. So this heatless overnight curls is actually inspired by Jonathan K. Monroe. He is one of the most famous social media influencers in TikTok. So in this video, I'm going to show you how this technique is created step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So first, you will be needing a robe tie. But don't you worry, if you don't have a robe tie, you can definitely use a long socks, a long scarf, and even stockings. In my case, I will be using this stockings. This one is from my sister. Kung meron kayong stockings na hindi nyo naginagamit or nag-run na, what are you waiting for? Go and grab it and let's be resourceful. O, tignan nyo nga yung sa akin, o, diba? Putol na yan. Actually, may pinagamitan na dito yung sister ko. Pero dahil napanood ko nga yung video ni Jonathan K. Monroe sa TikTok at wala akong robe tie or wala rin akong long scarf, so hiningi ko na para may magamit ako. Okay, so let's start. So as you can see, I do have a curly treated hair, pero dahil nitong panahon ng quarantine, medyo tinamad yung atin nyo, naalagaan yung hair niya, kaya yan malapit nang mag-straight. And I really wanted to bring back my curls kasi di ba maganda pagkulot kasi kahit messy yung hair mo, okay lang, ganun, hindi halata, tsaka medyo eleganteng tignan. So first, you have to section your hair where you want to start the curls. So sa akin, dito na siya, okay na tong side. I'm going to comb my hair to detangle. Don't you worry, I am using a widen, ano bang tawag dito? Widen comb? Tawag dito. Basta yon. But you can definitely use your brush, but as the old times, I misplaced it again and again. So you can spray water on your brush and brush it into your hair. But I prefer to do it just this way without water keme-keme root. So after sectioning your hair from the top, you have to section it again at the back.
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited.
So this time, we're going to secure the half of our hair.
While you're alone, this girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah. She needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it.
So let's do this side first. So what we're going to do is we're going to get 2 to 3 inches of our hair. And wrap it around our stockings. So we're going to get 2 to 3 inches again of our hair and wrap it around our stockings together with the first section. So let's just repeat the process until the end of our hair.
This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, no. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
have already reached the hair strands from the back of your ear, you just have to wrap your hair all the way down. Making sure that it is nice and tight. It doesn't have to be perfect since you're just going to sleep in this.
While we're still young, why don't you love me, touch me, touch me, touch me more? Why don't you love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me no more?
So when you have reached the end, you have to secure it using an elastic band. So after securing the end with an elastic band, we have to wrap it up because this is the most crucial part of this technique. Your hair will loosen up the moment you let it go. So we have to twist it away from your hair. So we have to twist it away from our head and wrap it up. You can use a ponytail or scrunchies to secure it. So it is not yet over, guys. We have to repeat the same process in this side. So you have to get 2 to 3 inches again of your hair and wrap it around your stockings or your rope tie, whatever you are using. And you have to get another 2 to 3 inches of your hair and wrap it together with the first section around your stockings. So we're going to do the same process all the way down. So if it loosen up a bit, don't you worry, you just need to twist it away from your head and wrap it up. So this is what this hair tutorial looked like. So I'm gonna go get ready for bed and find a way to carefully wash my face. One of the most amazing things with this hair tutorial is you don't have to put on a hairband anymore to secure your hair if you want to wash your face, because as you can see, all the hair strands are well secured. I can really wait to show you tomorrow morning how this looks like. Good night! Good morning! So as you can see, it loosened up a bit, but let's see how this curls turned out. So carefully remove your scrunchies. Now gently unwrap your hair, twist by twist. Wow, these curls are so cute. You can also put some oil at the end of your hair. What I would like to do is I'm going to break some of the curls so that it will give me more volume. So these overnight heatless curls will definitely look good on you, even if you have short, long, or straight hair, or even if you have curly treated hair. This overnight heatless curls is perfect on you. You're just gonna need to give it a little bit of fix and you're good to go. I hope that this video helps you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and also leave a comment because I wanted to know your thoughts if you have already tried this or if you plan to recreate these curls. So that's it guys, and see you on my next one. Bye!